Welcome everyone to another great day for crafting. I'm here with you today to show you my finished hat. This was the first pattern from the first project in the Hobbii Advent Calendar that I got. It is called the Athene hat, and you can get the free pattern off the Hobbii website. I will put a link to the Hobbii pattern site and the Advent Calendar. They are sold out for this year, but at least you can see, how it happened. It's done in star stitch, and there was more than enough yarn to do it. I did the medium size. It is a brimless hat, but I've been told it looks great on, and it comes with a massive pom-pom that you can pop off and pop back on, so that's nice. And it was a reasonably easy pattern to do. Star stitch is a little bit tricky, but you get it. So now we have one number 2. Open it up. This is what we have inside. I did find the pattern already because this is Monday. And it is for a hand towel, but it's in like a pattern, like a drop stitch pattern. So first of all, in the box we have the link sheet, so you can go and get your pattern. We also have 4 balls, 2 of each colour, of baby cotton. I've done that upside down, I have to. Baby cotton, which is a lovely, it's like a mint green, a light and dark mint green. So there's 2 balls each of that. There is a nice hand green. And there is a wool comb. Now I'll take this out because I didn't know what it was until I opened it either. So, whoop, nearly dropped it. There it is. And what it is, it also comes with a little bag to put it in. And it takes the fuzz off your fluffy projects. Your hairy yarns with a halo on them. Next, we have a length of leather thonging, which you can put on the corner of the towel you're going to make with the cotton, so you can hang it on hooks or wherever you need to. And then lastly, we have a project bag. It matches the book that came with the first one. I don't know what I've done with it, but it matches that. So it will be a set, I think, in the end. And it's calico. It's quite a decent size with good handles on it. So you can put all your project in it as you work it, which is great. Alright, so I'll try and go on Sunday next week to show you this finished, fingers crossed, and what's in the next one. You have a great week. Bye.